welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing this makeup look which is very easy and subtle, and I love this tone of colors that I've used on my face. This kind of makeup look will go almost with all of your Indian attires for sure. And also I'm wearing this beautiful dress. Let me show you. Got it from Ahmedabad, having this koti kind of a style up here, and down there is a lot of gear and so many colors, green, yellow, red, and I love this dress. You can actually wear this dress for Navratri, but now Navratri is over and Diwali is here, so I thought of sharing few of my favorite makeup looks which I usually wear with my Indian attire. So there are a lot more coming, so stay subscribed if you're not already. So if you want to know that how I have achieved this looks and what product I have used, then guys please continue watching. Already moisturized my face. For my primer I am taking Max Prep and Prime. This is in the shade Radiant Yellow. Now you can use any affordable primer, luminous primer of your choice. You can also use pore filling primer if you have got pores. I like this because the foundation that I'm going to use is semi matte finish, so I like dewy base. I'm going to use Wet n Wild foundation, but I do need to color correct before I use this. For color correction, I'm taking my trusty and my oldie favorite Elegal Pro Conceal in Orange Corrector. I'm taking small fluffy brush so that I don't use more product, although I have used a lot on this side. So this is how I look with color corrector. I know it's a little crazy. I'm taking Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This is in the shade Desert Beige. It is one shade lighter than my skin tone, but this is what I found online. I've got full in-depth review again of this foundation. You can click I up here and check it out. If you are on budget and if you're looking for good beauty sponge, PAC does really good one. I have the red one, but I prefer black more than the red one. I will try to find it and also link it in the description box. Also never forget your neck guys, and also your ears. So currently I'm obsessed doing cream contouring and I'm definitely be doing it today. For that I'm taking L'Oreal True Match. This is in the shade 90W Mahogany. I love the consistency of this concealer as a concealer and also as a contour. It's a beautiful shade for our dusky skin tone. Applying very less, not too much. Blending with very soft hands, as you can see, and it just melts into your skin. Small brush. It's not fluffy, it's a little dense. I think I've applied way too much. Oh god, don't worry, the blender will sort our mistake. And for my eyebrows I am using LA Girl Shady Slip Brow Pencil. I've been using this from so many years, you guys. I'm using more of the affordable products that you can buy, which I love. So that is why I thought of mentioning the products which are affordable and I really like it. To set them in place, I will use ABS Clear Brow Gel. I don't have any affordable eyebrow gel with me. If you have any suggestions, let me know. So I'll be finishing off my eye makeup first and then we'll finish off rest of my face makeup. I'm not going to go too crazy with my eye makeup because I'm wearing the dress which has got so many colors. There's yellow, orange, red, green, black, white, blue. So make it very subtle, which can actually complement most of your Indian outfits. So I'll be using Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette. Again, this is my favorite palette for Indian attires because it has got all warm smoky tones. First I'm taking PAC Spotlight Liquid Concealer. Always set your concealer, otherwise it will crease. I'm taking Maybelline's Fit Me powder. This is actually the brush which comes with the palette. First I'm taking the shade He Devil and applying all over my crease. Once we are done with it, I'm taking the back side of the brush and just blending up. I'm taking the shade Sauced and applying it on my crease to diffuse the He Devil shade. I'm also adding little bit of Low Blow and mixing both the shades and applying on my crease. I'm going to take shade He Devil again and build it up because it has got diffused with all those blending. So once we are done with this, I'm taking black kajal. The one I'm using is from K Beauty's kajal on my upper lash line, taking a small flat brush and just smudging the kajal, curling my eyelashes. I'm using this Alice Olivia Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. It is so pretty. Now finally we'll go on with our concealer. I'm taking PAC Cosmetics Spotlight Liquid Concealer. This is in the shade 01. It's very light, but we want bright under eyes, so that is why we'll use use little bit of Too Faced Born This Way concealer in warm sand around my mouth. I will set this concealer and also my whole face with Maybelline's Fit Me. This is in the shade medium. I am taking my damp beauty blender. I'm not gonna bake. I'm just taking a lot of powder and going to push that under my eyes. This is like a bulletproof step to make your makeup last throughout. If you have been following me for a while, you know I love to press loose powder all over my face. And I have been doing this for so long. So this is it for the powder. Let's first finish off our eye makeup and then we'll finish the face. I'm going to take the shade Sauced and Low Blow and apply them on my lower lash line. And I'm going to take the shade He Devil. Apply that just on my outer edge like this. I will use the same kajal on my lower lash line. You can skip and use any nude eyeliner if you like, but I love my black kajal. I am a kajal person. I'm going to use Total Temptation mascara for my lower lashes. Now let's jump on to the bronzer. I'm taking L'Oreal Glam Bronze. This is in the shade 102. Blush, I'm taking Wet n Wild Mellow Wine blush. You know what, I will use my beauty blender. Apply this blush. I will just dip butt side like so and just press this. Oh, wow. I will also apply a little bit on the tip of my nose. Love that red nose. For my highlighter, I'm taking In Color Cosmetics Instant Glow Shimmer Brick. This is in the shade 04 Rose Gold. I'm just using top two shades. You see, it's very beautiful. Using the same for my brow bones and also highlighting the inner corners. To set my makeup in place, I'm taking Maybelline's Lasting Fix. You guys, if you can't afford Urban Decay's All Nighter, I would highly recommend this setting spray. It's my go-to. I love this. Just keep it like this. And I spray a lot, so don't judge me for it. Now I will do my hair. I will accessorize a little bit and I'll also put on eyelashes. I will be using this eyelashes. Again, I've got it from Flipkart. If I'll find them, I'll link it in the description box and I'll get back. Okay, so I'm back. I've just straightened my hair a little bit. I've got these earrings on. These earrings are from, I think, Ahmedabad Streets. I don't remember the exact place. Got gold bindi on because our Indian looks are not complete without bindi. Got this kada, which I have got during my wedding. Has got peacock. It's very, very pretty. This was very expensive, by the way. And this dress again I've got from Ahmedabad. I think I have got it 3-4 years back. I really like it. Okay, so now let's do my lipstick. I can show you guys two options, Touch of Spice and Nude Nuance, both by Maybelline. I love them so much. Let me show you. This is Touch of Spice and this is Nude Nuance. Let's go with Nude Nuance. Yes, Nude Nuance looks so pretty with this look, you guys. I love this. That is it for this makeup tutorial, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. There are a lot more makeup tutorials coming, so stay tuned. Also, all the products that I have used will be mentioned in the description box, so please do not forget to check it out. If you have enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll be seeing you very soon in my next one. Bye!